Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chanel IQ Cars 2.0. We are diving into the 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute. This is not your typical car. It's compact, fuel-efficient, and designed for the modern urban jungle. But is it the ultimate budget-friendly city car? Well, let's find out. Car details. The Toyota Bajaj Qute is technically a quadricycle, meaning it's smaller and lighter than a regular car. It runs on a 216cc single-cylinder engine, producing 13 horsepower, yes, just 13. This little beast can reach a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour, perfect for city commuting. Fuel efficiency, over 35 kilometers per L80 to mpg. That's insanely economical. Available in petrol and CNG variants, making it eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. Exterior. Let's be honest, the Qute won't win any beauty pageants. But what it lacks in style, it makes up for in practicality. It's ultra-compact, measuring just 2.75 meters in length, making it a breeze to park in tight spots. The boxy design maximizes cabin space while maintaining a small footprint. It is basic but functional headlights, small 12-inch wheels, and minimalistic black plastic bumpers for durability. Interior. Step inside and you'll notice it's as simple as it gets: basic materials, minimal tech, and just the essentials. The dashboard is super basic with an analog speedometer, fuel gauge, and a few buttons. No fancy touch screen here. Seating. You get a 1+3 layout, driver in the front and 3 passengers in the back. Storage. A small glove box and a bit of space behind the rear seats. Comfort level. The seats are firm but manageable for short city trips. Legroom and headroom are decent for such a tiny vehicle. There's no air conditioning, but you do get sliding windows for ventilation. Suspension, basic and bumpy. You'll feel potholes, but that's expected at this price. Performance. With just 13 horsepower, the Qute isn't winning any drag races. Acceleration is slow, but it does the job for city commuting. The manual transmission is easy to use with smooth gear shifts. Turning radius, extremely small, making U-turns effortless. Brakes are adequate, but don't expect sports car level stopping power. Conclusion, is it worth it? The 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute is for practical urban drivers, not speed enthusiasts. It's super fuel efficient, easy to park, and incredibly affordable. Downsides: no luxury, slow performance, and basic comfort. But at a fraction of the cost of a regular car, it serves its purpose well. If you need a no-nonsense, ultra-affordable city ride, the Qute is a solid option. Would you drive the Toyota Bajaj Qute? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car reviews.
Beats. Beats.